Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teacher, respected all the friends who are gathered here. We all know why we here. We are gathered here for the celebration 5th September of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as a Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is a very important role in present era. Everywhere Teachers' Day celebrated as college, as school, everywhere the Teachers' Day celebrated. But what is important to celebrate as a Teachers' Day? And why we celebrate as a Teachers' Day on 5th September? It's none other than Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is a famous teacher, he is a philosopher and educationist, and he is a great teacher. And we all know that teacher is an important pillar of our life. Teacher make ourselves as a bright future. Teacher is we know nowadays without teacher we can't imagine anything. Because of the teacher we can make ourselves very easier. And education is making a vital role in aspect. As a student, I'm always think I'm a student because I know the one Bengali poetry which is said that Shobar ami chhatro Sunirmal Bosu. The last quotation is says that Bishwojana Parshalamo Shobar ami chhatro নানান ভাবে নতুন জিনিস শিখছি দিবারাত্র এই পৃথিবীর বিরাট খাতায় পাঠ্য সব পাতায় পাতায় শিখছি যে সব কৌতূহলের সন্দেহ নাই মাত্র ইটস অ্যাবসলিউটলি আই বিলিভড all you all here is a student every situation every moment you are learning something new from everywhere and this place this country as an open book we are traveling everywhere and learning something from new. And education is a very vital role. In present era, English is very important. If we know better English, we can get a better job. We go abroad to speak something from the foreigner. We get a better enough salary from way of English. And very vital role is that education is in different scripts as well as religious books is mentioned that education is very precious matter. According to the Sunnah, according to last messenger Prophet Muhammad says every man, every human being, male or female, have to learn, have to study. It's a compulsory to know compulsory to know education. It's if we know better education, we make ourselves, then we can achieve anything, everything. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 1888 at the place of Tamil Nadu. He is not only a teacher, he is a very best motivator and philosopher. And 1931 he got Knight Upadhi from the British. And 1954 he got the prestigious award in Bharat Ratna from the government, which is make him very proud. And last not least, the quotation of the Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan says, "A joy and happiness is possible only the way of knowledge and science." That's all.